authorization is everything. You can't just light a fuse. Only certified pros, they're called blasting mates, can perform a blast. And get this, if the work is anywhere within 100 meters of a live track, you'll probably need what's called block protection. That's just railway talk for completely shutting down that whole section of the line to stop all train traffic. Okay, second, physical shielding is an absolute must. If you're blasting within 60 meters of the track, you actually have to cover the rails with old sleepers. Those are the heavy wooden ties, to protect them from damage. And if the line isn't blocked, no blasting is allowed within 30 minutes of a train coming through, period. And finally, let's talk about misfires. That's when the charge fails to go off. The protocol here is incredibly specific. You have to wait a full 60 minutes. Then you mark the spot with a red cross. And the most crucial part, you never try to bore out the charge. Instead, you drill a new relief hole, at least 300 millimeters away, to safely detonate the failed explosive. These rules make sure that when engineers have to move mountains, they do it without putting the tracks, the trains, or themselves in danger. Check your distances and keep your powder dry.